as women, we go through little phases where we've lost our mojo a little bit. Maybe some of our self-confidence or self-doubt creeps in, or maybe we've been hit with some life tragedies or crazy life circumstances, and you want to get back on track, and you desperately want to step into yourself again. That is absolutely possible. I've seen it. I've done it for myself. My name's Aida. I am a media producer and branding expert, and you might have seen me on the Positive Living Show. I've created 5 TV shows, aired in 60 countries around the world. I feel like the world needs more feminine wisdom. I want to help you create a powerful personal brand that is iconic, something that is fulfilling and something that matters in the world. Purpose-driven, and a media brand that gets your voice out into the stratosphere. So I help other women that are successful, that are rising, women that want to do good in the world and that need a little bit of support and clarity. Let's get clear on what your vision is. One of the important steps is you stepping into your own power. It's not just about the branding and the visual images and the colors. Sure, that's one part of it. It's about mindset. If you're looking for I need some help with this next step, and you want to be around other powerful women in the same phase of life, the Bold 2.0, come join us.
Ready to ignite your next chapter for 2025? Join Aida for the Reinvention and Personal Branding Workshop on New Year's Day, January 1st at 2 p.m. Don't let another year slip by. Unleash your potential and take the first step to create the life you truly love, waking up to every day. Join other fearless women stepping boldly into their second act with power, purpose, and passion. Invite a friend. Comment Ignite below to secure your spot. Your extraordinary adventure awaits. See you New Year's Day.